Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best M1150 sewing machine is probably one of the most versatile sewing machines on the market, perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers. This machine is designed to handle a variety of fabrics, from delicate silks to sturdy denim, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of projects. Whether you're looking to create custom clothing, home decor items, or simply make repairs, the M1150 offers the features and ease of use you need to bring your creative visions to life. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Sewing Machine. Unleash your creativity with 97 stitch applications. This machine offers basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, along with a one-step buttonhole, giving you endless possibilities for customization. It makes sewing a breeze. Threading the needle is now effortless. This built-in feature eliminates eye strain and frustration. Simply follow the threading path printed on the machine, and it will do the rest. It's that easy. Get your projects done quickly with a maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. The 60% stronger motor provides greater piercing power for thick seams. It's designed to handle any project. Built to last, this machine features a heavy-duty metal interior frame and a stainless steel bed frame. It can sew through various heavyweight fabrics with long-lasting stability. This workhorse is ready for anything. This machine comes with a variety of accessories, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, and buttonhole foot. Everything is conveniently stored in the accessory tray, and a soft-sided dust cover is also included. It has everything you need to get started. What we like? This machine boasts a strong motor and a heavy-duty frame, perfect for tackling thick fabrics. With 97 stitch applications, it offers versatility for various projects. If you are looking for a workhorse that can handle heavy-duty sewing and a wide range of techniques, you should consider this one. What people say. The outdoor rated fabric was super thick. This machine wasted no time at getting the job done. The standard needle gets through a whole stack of fabric and Velcro with no problems. It went through 6 layers of vinyl upholstery as well as plastic piping, without struggle. Number 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4432 Sewing Machine. This is the Singer Heavy Duty 4432. It's designed for heavy-duty projects. The machine has a strong motor with enhanced piercing power, making it easy to sew through various fabrics. The machine features a full metal frame, providing stability and long-lasting durability. This ensures that it can withstand the demands of frequent use and heavy-duty sewing tasks. With an extra high sewing speed, it can sew up to 1,100 stitches per minute. This is great for larger projects with long seams. It helps you complete your projects quickly and efficiently. It has a top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover. The jam-proof bobbin and transparent cover make it easy to monitor the thread supply. The bobbin is also easy to wind and insert. The machine includes a reverse stitch lever for reinforcing stitches. It also offers a one-step buttonhole feature. Place your button in the foot's holder, and it will create a perfectly sized buttonhole. What we like? This model offers an extra high sewing speed, allowing you to complete projects quickly. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures stability and durability. If you have large projects with long seams or need to sew quickly, this machine's speed and robust build make it an excellent choice. What people say. The machine is lightweight and easy to carry. It has a good selection of stitches. It is easy to use. Number 3. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing and Quilting Machine. This machine offers a wide array of stitch options, with 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications. It includes essential, stretch, and decorative stitches, allowing you to create unique designs for various projects. The package comes with 13 presser feet and additional tools. These accessories, including a hard case and extension table, provide everything you need to get started on your sewing and quilting projects. The automatic needle threader threads the needle in seconds, saving you time. The top drop-in bobbin system with a transparent cover makes it easy to monitor thread levels, preventing interruptions. With 13 fully automatic one-step buttonhole styles, it ensures consistent, professional buttonholes. The built-in lettering font allows you to personalize your work with monograms and custom text. You can adjust the sewing speed to suit your project. The start-stop button allows you to sew without a foot pedal, giving you greater control, especially for large quilting projects. What we like. This machine comes with 600 stitches and a lettering function, perfect for personalization. The extension table provides extra space for larger projects. If you like to add custom touches to your garments or projects and need a wide variety of stitches, this machine is ideal for you. What people say. The machine is easy to use and set up. It has a good selection of stitches. The automatic needle threader is a great feature. Number 2. Singer MX60 Lightweight and Portable Sewing Machine. This MX60 sewing machine is lightweight and easy to carry. It's perfect for small spaces or taking to classes. Its compact design makes it ideal for both beginners and hobbyists. The MX60 comes with a handy accessory kit. It includes everything you need to get started, such as different feet, needles, and bobbins. This gives you all the essential tools to kickstart your sewing journey. This machine is easy to use, even if you're new to sewing. With preset stitch length and width, it makes the process straightforward and enjoyable. Whether you're mending clothes or creating crafts, it's designed for all skill levels. The MX60 offers 57 stitch applications for various projects. It provides flexibility for basic, decorative, and creative sewing. You can easily create simple seams or more elaborate designs with it. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame, the MX60 is stable and ensures skip-free sewing. This durable construction gives you the confidence to work on a wide range of projects. You can be sure that it will last for years to come. What we like. This sewing machine is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for small spaces or on-the-go sewing. It's also beginner-friendly with preset stitch settings. If you are a beginner or have limited space and need a machine for crafts and mending, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use as most Singer products are. Functions as advertised. Lightweight and built well. I have had it now for over 6 months and it's been working great for a sewing beginner. It is a versatile lightweight machine. Does all the basics, even buttonholes. Number 1. Singer M1500 Sewing Machine with Accessory Kit. This Singer M1500 sewing machine is perfect for various projects. It includes stitches for key sewing techniques like straight stitch, zigzag, and decorative scallop. You can use it to sew fashions, piece quilts, and create crafts. Selecting your stitch is incredibly simple. The stitches are clearly displayed on the stitch selector dial. Just turn the dial to select the stitch you need. This machine is designed with beginners in mind. Stitch length and width are preset, eliminating any guesswork. Choose the stitch you want, and you're ready to start sewing. Making buttonholes is a breeze with this machine. The 4-step process is clearly marked on the stitch selector dial. It helps you create the perfect buttonhole size for your project. Threading the machine is also very easy. Simple to follow guides are marked directly on the machine. It makes winding the bobbin and threading the upper thread quick and simple. What we like. This machine offers 57 stitch applications and easy stitch selection, making it simple to use. The preset stitch length and width eliminate guesswork, perfect for beginners. If you are new to sewing and want a user-friendly machine for quilting, crafts, or mending, it is a great choice. What people say. The machine is super easy to use, even for beginners, and it has all the essential features she needs for her sewing projects. The stitch quality is excellent, and it runs smoothly, making her sewing experience so much more enjoyable. The design is compact but sturdy, and it doesn't take up much space, which is a bonus in our home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.